So now we have matrix and determinants. So we will see how to solve this matrix first before we now go into determinant. So recall that matrix is a rectangular arrangement and arrays of numbers, letters and symbols. So you can use numbers, you can use letters, and you can use symbols to arrange. So now we see different ways in which you can arrange numbers or letters or symbols. So but we are using numbers. You have days. This is called 3 by 1 matrix. Why? We have row 1, row 2, and row 3. So that means it is 3 row by 1, which is 1 column. So now when you come to this one, you find out that you have 3 rows and 2 columns. Then when you come to this one, you have 2 rows and 2 columns. That is why you call it 2 by 2 matrix. So when you come to this one, you have 3 rows and 3 columns. That is why you call it 3 by 3 matrix. So now addition and subtraction. So now let's see how you can solve examples or how you can solve problems under matrix. We are starting with addition and subtraction before we go into multiplication and the rest of them, determinant and other ones. We now have if P equal to this and Q equal to this. So they ask us to find A, P plus Q, then B, P minus Q. Solution. So we now find out that this is for P and this is for Q. Then in adding them, you add 2 plus 5 and 3 plus 4. You add this row and add this row to it. You add this second row to this second row. So that is why you now see 2 plus 5 and 3 plus 4. Then 4 plus 3 and 1 plus 6, which is this and this. So now when you now add them, you now have 7, 7, 7, 7. Because 2 plus 5 will give you 7, 3 plus 4 will give you 7, and 4 plus 3 will give you 7. 1 plus 6 will give you 7. So you will still have 2 by 2 matrix. So because in your question you have 2 by 2, in your answer you will still have 2 by 2. So now going to B, P minus Q. So we now have, you are subtracting this from this. So we now have 2 minus 5, 3 minus 4, 4 minus 3, and 1 minus 6. So that is why you are seeing it like this. 2 minus 5 will give us minus 3. 3 minus 4 will give us minus 1. 4 minus 1 will give us 1. And 1 minus 6 will give us minus 5. Still 2 by 2 matrix. Because the original question is 2 by 2. So you are going to have 2 by 2.